Hi and welcome to NigeriaInfusions.com. Today I'm preparing stir fry indomie. This meal is loved by my kids. So to get started, in a pre-boiled water, add 2 noodles. Do not throw away your seasoning because we're gonna need that. We're cooking for just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, drain out the excess water. In a pan, add olive oil, your onion, as well as the shrimp. Stir together to infuse. Then we add the chili, minced garlic, and mixed ginger. The next thing is to add the peas. You add a packet of your seasoning, and then we pour in our noodles. Add the remaining packet of seasoning. Infuse everything together, and voila, your meal is ready. Thank you so much. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.